Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trade license in West Bengal online. First, navigate to the official Silpa Sathai portal. You'll need to register as a new user or log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, locate and select the trade license UD and MA service to start your application. This ensures you are on the correct path for your business registration. Next, prepare your necessary documents. You will need your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and proof of your business premises, such as a property tax receipt or a rent agreement. Don't forget a recent passport-sized photograph. The application fees are not fixed. They depend on your specific business type, its size, and where it is located within West Bengal. Once your documents are ready, proceed to fill out the online application form accurately with all your business information. Carefully upload scanned copies of all the required supporting documents. After completing the form and uploads, you will be prompted to pay the applicable trade license fee through the secure online payment gateway. Remember to keep your application reference number. After submission, you can easily track your application status online using the reference number you received. Once approved, you can download and print your official trade license certificate directly from the portal. Remember, trade licenses are typically valid for 1 year and must be renewed annually to avoid penalties. For other great deals, including the best socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.